Topic: value engineering and value analysis. Value engineering and value analysis. Value analysis oriented from Second World War due to the shortage of essential material. Lawrence de Miles was the first to develop the technique and name it. Value analysis is one of the major techniques of cost reduction and control. It is a disciplined approach which ensures the necessary function for the minimum cost without diminishing quality, reliability, performance, and appearance. According to Society of American Value Engineers, value analysis is the systematic application of recognized technique which identify the function of a product or services, establish a monetary value for the function, and provide the necessary function reliability at that lowest overall cost. The value analysis is an organized approach to identify unnecessary cost associated with any product, material, parts, component, system, or service by analysis of function and efficiency in eliminating them without impairing the quality, function, reliability, or its capacity to give services. In the field of value investigation, value refers to economic value, which itself can be subdivided into four types as first one is cost value, exchange value, use value, and esteem value. Okay, so cost value is the measure of sum of all costs incurred in producing the product. The cost value therefore is the sum of raw material cost, labor cost, tool cost, and overhead expended to produce the product. Okay, exchange value is the measure of all the properties, qualities, and features of product which make the product possible of being traded for another product or for money. So in exchange value, it is a measure of all the properties, qualities, and features of product which make the product possible of being traded for another product or for money. Okay, so next point, use value. What is the use value? Use value is the measure of properties, qualities, and features which make the product accomplish a use, work, or service. Next point is esteem value. What is esteem value? Esteem value is the measure of properties, features, attractiveness, graphic packaging, and the like which increasing sale appeal or which attract customer and create them strong desire to own the product. Okay, so that type of concept is known as esteem value. So next, all of you see one chart of value analysis. In value analysis, this is a value. It consists of seeing improvement, product, services, cost of quality. Okay, re-engineering, product, process, re-engineering, no accomplished one quality, in bracket better planning, design, and selection, value engineering, DOE, and prototype. Okay, so this chart shows value analysis whole chart. Okay, so next point, what is the value engineering? Value engineering is defined as organized effort directed at analyzing the function of system, equipment, facilities, services, and supplies for the purpose of achieving the essential functions at the lowest life cycle cost consistent with required performance, quality, reliability, and safety. one more definition of value engineering is value engineering is a systematic method to improve the value of goods or product and services by using an examination of a function. Okay, one more definition of value engineering. Value engineering is an organized creative approach for the purpose of identifying of unnecessary cost. Unnecessary costs are that which provide neither quality nor use, not appearance, not life, and customer features. So those are the concepts in different languages. Those are the definitions of value engineering. What is value engineering? Okay. Next point, when value engineering is used. Value engineering is used to determine the best design alternatives for projects, processes, products, and services. Value engineering is used to reduce cost on existing project values, project processes, product, and services. Next one is value engineering is used to improve quality, increase reliability and availability, and customer satisfaction. Value engineering is also used to improve organizational performance. Value engineering is a powerful tool used to identify problems and develop recommended solutions. Okay. So when is value engineering used? In simple way, value engineering is used to determine the best design alternative for project, process, product, or services. Value engineering is used in cost on existing product, projects, process, product, services, and also value engineering is used to improve quality, increase reliability and availability, and customer satisfaction. Value engineering is also used to improve organizational performance. Okay, and value engineering is a powerful tool identify problems and develop recommended solutions. So next point we discuss here 6 steps in a value engineering. So total 6 steps in a value engineering. So we discuss one by one. So first step is a information phase. Okay, so in information phase, clearly identify the problems to be solved and gather information on the background functions and required of the product, process or system. Okay, second step of value engineering is creativity phase, evaluation phase. Okay, in creativity phase and evaluation phase, brainstorm ideas or how to improve the high cost, broken or inadequate performed key functions. Screen idea for acceptance, score remaining ideas on a scale, and group idea into category, develop design scenario, and select criteria, rate and track ideas. Okay, so third step of value engineering is a planning phase. Okay, planning phase. In planning phase, plan how to sell idea to management, identify key recommendation, plan management presentation. Okay, so those point is considered in planning phase. So now fifth step of value engineering is reporting phase. So in reporting phase, give oral presentation, management or develop written reports. Sixth step of value engineering is implementation phase. So in implementation phase, get a management approval, make a management plan, make assignment, implementation and follow up. Okay, so those are the total 6 steps in a value engineering we discuss here. So first step is the informative phase, second step is creativity phase, evaluation phase, third one is a planning phase, fourth step is a reporting phase, fifth step is a reporting phase, and sixth one is a implementation phase. So total those are the 6 steps in value engineering. Okay, next point, what are the benefits of value engineering? So in value engineering different types of benefits we get. So in that one by one we discuss here. So benefits, okay, those are the benefits we show here. Lowering QM cost, improving quality management, satisfy customer, simplifying procedure, capture opportunity, lower staff, improving, okay. So and after that completing more successful in marketing, value attitude in staff, save time, money, problem situation, MEI network, okay. Those are the benefit shown here. Lowering QM cost, improving quality management, customer satisfaction, okay. So those are the benefit of value engineering. So today we see those concepts. First those concepts we discuss here today, value engineering and value analysis. After that concepts, value analysis, what is value analysis, what is value engineering, and examples of value analysis, okay. Basic concepts of value engineering, when is value engineering is used, okay, and total 6 steps in value engineering. So we discuss 6 steps of value engineering. After that we see or study benefits of value engineering. So this chart shows value engineering benefits, okay. Value engineering is a systematic method to improve the value of a product or service that the project or process produces.
वैल्यू इंजीनियरिंग इज अ सिस्टमैटिक मेथड. वैल्यू इंजीनियरिंग है वो एक सिस्टमैटिक मेथड है किसके लिए? सो टू इम्प्रूव द वैल्यू. वैल्यू बढ़ाने के लिए जो सिस्टमैटिक है, सिस्टमैटिक मेथड इजीली याद रख सकते हो. वैल्यू इंजीनियरिंग इज यूज्ड टू सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स एंड आइडेंटिफाई एंड एलिमिनेट अनवांटेड कॉस्ट while improving function and quality. So value engineering एक प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई एंड एलिमिनेट होता है अनवांटेड कॉस्ट. मान लो वैल्यू इंजीनियरिंग, द एम इज टू इंक्रीज द वैल्यू ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, satisfying the product's performance requirements at the lowest possible cost. What is value? Value is defined as the ratio of function to the cost. वैल्यू की डेफिनेशन बहुत सिंपल है. It is the ratio of function to the cost. So value is equal to function by cost. So yeah.
Okay, thank you.